Hello. So we're back, and this time we have a customer job. So this is like moral things. Yeah. Let me tell you the story. So this laptop is dead. It's a job, but you open the box and you find something else, and you don't know if the customer actually forget the things there or are for me. Let me show you. Let me show you. So basically, the laptop was here, and there was some candies, and I'm not sure if are for me or the customer actually forgot the candies there. So I should eat them or ask the customer first, because obviously I'm a candy lover. Let's check that. Let's try to fix it first. I mean, it's Christmas. People send stuff. But yeah, now I'm trying to fix the laptop. I can't take my mind out from the candies. Okay, let me grab an adapter. Let's try to help this customer. Maybe if we fix the laptop, it will give me the candies. So we plug the charger. We have the orange light. You can see. Wait, I don't have the power meter. 1 second. Yeah, we plug the charger. We have 19 volts. And it's around 30, 40 milliamps. Something like that. You can see there? Let me see what this customer is saying about the laptop. 0001070. It went off and it didn't come back. Looks like it was charging okay, came on green, green the orange. Watch a few of your videos and looks like MacBook seems to have same problem. But it's not saying anything about the candies. Okay, so the laptop is not working, it's kind of dead. Let's open the laptop quickly and have a look inside. Maybe we can fix it quickly. So I can email the customer and find out what's the story with the candies. Okay, so the laptop is open. And the motherboard is looking nice, huh? What do you think? We have the fuse there. Let's check the fuse. Let's see what do we have on the fuse. Because this fold looks like, like the main power relay is missing. So here we have 8.4, here we have 8.4. So the fuse is good. The battery has voltage 8.3, but it's not charging. Huh. So can you spot anything obvious? Main power rail 8.4. Okay, let's take the motherboard out. Okay, so the motherboard is out. Lot of dust, but let's pay attention if we have any liquid damage or corrosion. Can you spot anything? I can see a little bit of corrosion, but not actually liquid damage. Okay, few things you have to check here. PC screen. First one is the RTC voltage, and you have to have 3.3. Then the next one, what I want to check is the 5, is this one, 5ES5. Now the SMC, I'm pretty sure has 3.4 because we have the orange light on the charger. Let's check this one. So the RTC line. So the RTC line has 3.3, yeah, which is right, okay? The next one, 5ES5, which is here. On, let me check to be sure. Pin number 29. pin number 29, which is this one. And check on the screen. Here is supposed to be 5 volts. So we have the voltage is changing between 2 volts and nearly 5 volts. So why this happened? Why this happened? Now that's a good question, yeah? But let's go with the power supply. Let me lower the voltage just to be sure it's not short there. 5 volts. Let me be sure I have like low current. Yeah, it is. Now let's see, do we have any short there? And no, we don't have. So if we have any short, why the voltage is changing? Because the input voltage is changing. Can be. So the input on this one is here. Check on the input voltage. It's steady 8.4 volts. So you know what? I'm not gonna dig around. I'm gonna replace this chip because most likely this is faulty. Otherwise, I cannot see why the voltage is changing on the output if there is no like current draw. TPS 51980. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. Yeah, let's take it. Hopefully this one is good because I can see I probably swap it on some point. Yeah, you're right. This is not the same board. Okay, so we took the chip out. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. Okay, so the chip is removed. Let's solder the other one. Perfect. Perfect. So what do you think? It will work or not? Let's cool the board. Huh? It will work or not? That's the question. Let me plug the charger. And let's see if we have 5 volts there. No, we don't have 5 volts. We have anything but not 5. Okay, let's go back to the schematic. So we replace the chip. The second chip is doing exactly the same. So we know it's not the chip. Then this U7201 U7201. Yeah, that's the one. Okay. So this is equivalent with normal laptops LDO power supply, and you have that chip like you have two big 3.3 and 5 volts power supplies from the same chip. Then you have LDO 3.3 and 5 volts LDO. That's what this chip is doing. Now, what I want to check the VREC 5, VREC 3, and also I want to check the output, which is the feedback line, which is SW1 and SW2. Yeah. So how I will check? I will come with 3.3 volts. Yeah, and I'm gonna check all those power rails. Let's do it. Let's do it. So first one is VREC 5, which we checked, and it's changing. So VREC 3 is pin number 22. Pin number 22. Let's set up the power supply to 3.3. Yeah, about there, about there. Now let's see. So is this one, yeah, that one, this one. And it's fine, it's not short, you can see, nothing. No short is taking no current. Good, that's fine, that's fine. Then the next one, where is the schematic? So VREC 3 and VREC 5 is not short. Then we have SW1, SW2, which is pin number 32 and 25. 32 is this one, and 25 is this one. So those two we have to check with the power supply. So we have this one, and this one is fine, it's not short. And you can see nothing. And this one, which is fine, lol, not short. So why this chip is not working? Good. Okay, enable. Let's check the enable pin. So we have pin number 4 enable and pin number 2. I mean, we are looking for the 5 volts, yeah, power supply, which is enabled by the pin number 4. Pin number 4 is this one, right? Yeah, let's check voltage there. So pin number 4, one second, let me connect the charger. Pin number 4 is 0. That's interesting. How the pin number 4 can be 0? Yeah, the charger, it is plugged in. Here we have 8.4. But here you have 0. Okay. And pin number 21. Okay, pin number 21 is here. And this one has 0. Check that, check on the screen. So the voltage is changing from 0 to 2 point something. This can make sense, but I want to do a test, yeah? So I'm gonna use the power supply to trigger the enable pin, yeah? So here we have, yeah, coming with power. Check here, yeah, check here. So I come with the power supply on the enable pin. This one is the enable pin, yeah? So if I keep, if I enable the pin manually, I have exactly 5 volts at the output. You can see. So clearly, who is outputting the signal here, it's not right. Yeah. So let's try to follow together this pin, this one. Yeah. Who is triggering this chip? this resistor, yeah, and from this resistor, where is going? Nowhere. You have this capacitor, and you have this. You have the enable pin from the SMC, which is coming from this little prick. Okay, let's check the signal here, right? Yeah, this one. So the voltage there is, where is it? One second, I can't see from the schematic. Is this one? Yeah, this one. So here we have, check on the screen, from 3.3 to 0. Why? Wait, one second. Can be because the SMC is dragging down this power line, or this is now not outputting the right amount of current, yeah, the voltage for to enable my 5-volt chip. Yeah, let's see this one, yeah. So this one is taking power free V3 S5. Free V3 S5. Well, I believe I checked already, right? Yeah, we checked here. We checked on the... No, we checked the RTC. We checked this one. Okay. Now I feel bad. Free V3 S5. Okay, let's check there. So here should be free V3 S5. And yeah, it's not. Check there. You can see. So the voltage is changing and changing. One second, because I'm spinning around my own tail. Of course, the output of this chip, yeah. So this is the output. Of course, the output, it will change the enable, yeah. So of course, the free V3 S5, it will not be stable if the enable pin is not stable. So we have to follow the enable pin, which is this one. U7941. U7941. Okay, so this actually is getting power from 3V4. So, the pin number 1, so the voltage should be stable there, right? Pin number 1, which is this one. Okay, let's check there. So pin number 1, which is this one, 3.4 is stable voltage, you can see stable. Okay. So if the voltage is stable, then why the output is changing? Because of the input? Can be pin number 2. But pin number 2 is this pin, which is enabled that power supply also. So do you think it's the SMC? Okay, let's make a test, yeah? Well, let's see. Let me connect the meter. So basically, if I come with the power supply, exactly here. Wait 1 second, what's going on here? Why my board is not hot? Let's check the output here. And we have 5 volts. I mean, I done nothing. Yeah, I done something. Huh? I done anything apart from checking. So we have 5 volts, and my motherboard is taking 500 milliamps. And it's all hot because probably the board is working. You know what? I hate these kind of faults. I hate them. It's if the board is proper hot. I hate them. I hate these kind of faults. I swear I hate them. So we found nothing, yeah? We replaced that chip for nothing because even the old chip was doing exactly the same thing. And now every power rail is stable. But we done nothing. We just came with the power supply and checked few power rails. The problem is you don't know. You have to give warranty. So you didn't fix anything. The laptop, it will come back, it will die again. So check here. Well, we have no hard drive. I mean, how can I ask the customer candies if I'm not proper sure for what I did? I replaced that chip. Yeah, one more time. We replaced that chip for nothing. We replaced that chip and we checked. And the S5, the 5 volts power rail, was still changing. The voltage was still jumping. Then we just, check around and the laptop started working by itself. Feels bad. Yeah, the laptop is working fine and it's charging fine. Yeah. So I'm not sure what I can say. It's it's proper weird, proper strange, and probably everyone has on some point those kind of faults. So the laptop is charging fine and it's working fine. Yeah, and I need to put it all back together. But you see, this is the disadvantage of using the power supply. Because I'm used to use the power supply checking power rails. But if you have like a very light short, I mean, it's a short which it will not allow you like a lot of current. When you come with the power supply, that short it will be gone and you'll never gonna find it again. That doesn't mean the short is gone forever. Can't come back. That's the thing. Can't come back. I believe this is the only disadvantage on using the power supply. And probably that's what happened here. The battery is fully charged? Probably, right? It's not charging. Let me check if it's fully charged. Yeah, it is 100%. The battery is 100%. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here. I'll not keep you here, but you got some few tips and tricks what to check when you have this motherboard, which is it's not coming on or it's taking around 20 milliamps. Yeah, that was the current which was taken. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, like always, and see you on the next one. Bye.